Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to delete your Canva account. So to start, open Canva and sign into your account. Next, go to the bottom left corner and open your profile picture. Next, go to your account. Next, go to account and security. Then scroll down to the bottom. So under account actions, you'll see delete your account. So tap delete account on the right side. So it says here by deleting your account, you'll no longer be able to access any of your designs or log into Canva. So it shows here when was your account created. And then if you're sure or if you really want to delete your account, tap delete account. Then they'll send you a code to your email. Then just paste it in here. So copy and paste the code, go to your email, then type it in here or paste it. Then just click delete account to confirm the action and your account will be deleted. So after selecting delete account, you have 14 days to log back in and restore it before it's permanently deleted. So make sure you read this. This is very important. So deleting your account means you will lose all of your team's content, including templates, folders, uploaded media, and designs. However, you can transfer team ownership to another person to make your team doesn't lose their content or access to Canva. So the nominated person must accept ownership before you delete your account. And that's basically it.